Hurricane Beryl in Texas. We have a lot of rental equipment going out. When the trucks are here, things gotta move fast. We have Gabriel out here. We got Daniel out here. We got Javon over here. We got Sarah helping us out. We got Modesto and John over there helping us out. About to have Bobby Kathy come out and help us load some stuff. Thank God it's busy. Praying for all the people getting affected by the hurricanes, but we're also ready with a bunch of equipment for you guys.
No, I got you set
A bunch of generators heading out, switch gear, spider boxes, 3,000 M distribution panels, 1,200 M distribution boxes. We got 400 M distribution panels going out. This is the first truck of the day, which is over there.
Talking so dead.
Given Bidding Electric the opportunity to provide the good people of Houston with the electricity that they need in this dying hour.
Well said. Well said.
Put that's 12.
13.
Alright, go ahead and bring it in.
Woo! It's about 100 degrees here today in Philadelphia.
It's hot.
It is.
Hot!
All right.